Gusto kong ilitin itong chicken ko dyan. Kasi gusto ko naman ano. For minutes na lang ba. Kasi ito na kanina ito. And our lunch is ready. You want me to slice the cake? You eat cake?
I'm not sure yet.
Ah, you're not sure? She's not sure to eat the cake because mag-booking ako si Bibs. Booking time.
Oh, you gotta eat more than that.
Yeah. Right there. Don't worry, we eat meat in dinner. Remember? But now 3 rice only. Maybe add more. Because our rice is little bit. Buffet na po si Bibs kaya. Always eating buffet. My husband told me, oh, always eating buffet. Yeah, buffet. My husband, they eat only chicken and rice. Mine, fries, chicken, asparagus, and rice. Imagine mo guys, no? Oh, rain, look like rain holiday. Istanbul, thank you so much. Istanbul. Always using our air fryer, Istanbul. Every day, we use my air fryer. Cooking. And then, very easy. Very easy to cook and clean up. So that's why I like cooking air fryer. Let's check the hindi pa luto ang asparagus ay. The asparagus is not luto. Another 2 minutes. But if you're cooking in a fryer, you need to watch what's the food you eat. Sometime let's see 8 minutes done, but 6 minutes already done. Sometimes we see 10 minutes but still not done. Kasi nakadepende yata yan sa slicing. Siyempre nakadepende sa slice na niluluto mo. Of course, if the slice is thin or thin, so different temperature. Kaya laging may thermometer, mostly sa mga mga chicken, mga meat. It's done guys. I'm ready to eat. Wow, 3 o'clock na guys. 3:10. It's done na guys. Asparagus is done. And the chicken. Right.